Driving for dollars virtually from your living room. That's right, you heard me correctly. And on this video, I'm going to be discussing with you exactly how. Now before I jump into one of my top strategies for finding motivated sellers, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and hit that notification bell so that you never miss an episode. And while you're at it, go ahead and hit that like button. It helps the algorithms push this video out there to more people so that they can get the help just like you're getting right now. For those that are new to my channel, I'm Shaun Young, the virtual guy, and I love all things real estate. Now, as promised, I'm going to share with you a strategy that me and my team use to find deals all over the nation, and that's virtually driving for dollars. Now, this isn't some kind of Jedi mind trick. I'm not using the Force. I actually use a tool that's called Deal Machine to accomplish this. And I'll make sure to leave a link down in the description below so that you guys can try it out for yourself as well. Now this tool is awesome. It can be used on the Deal Machine website, or you can use it with the app when you're out there on the go, which is most likely where you're going to be using it when you're out there on the go. But in this case, doing it virtually, you can definitely use it from the Deal Machine website as well. Guys, this is an amazing tool that not only can you use in your local market when you're out driving your normal daily routes that you're normally going to drive anyway, but you can use this to go virtual and use it from the comfort of your own living room. Now, when doing this virtually, the first thing you want to do is map out a few different areas that you want to drive virtually by using the vacant property filter that's inside of the app and Deal Machine. Now this will show you pockets of homes that you've chosen in a specific area on that part of the map. Guys, did I mention that this tool is awesome? You can actually physically see the street that you're virtually driving, and it also has the ability to track your routes. You can actually track your routes. How cool is that? Now once you find your properties virtually driving for dollars, you can even get a picture of the front of those houses by using the Street Pick add-on that's inside of the Deal Machine app as well, and either start sending out mailers or export the list so that you can start a cold calling or a text blasting campaign. Guys, you can even recruit drivers to do this for you virtually. Yes, you can actually scale your business by hiring someone to do all of this for you. You can sit in the comfort of your own home with your feet kicked up on the sofa and do deals virtually driving for dollars. So there's literally no excuses for you to not go out there and make it happen, guys. So what are you still doing sitting here? Go ahead and use the link that's in the description below to get a free trial of that Deal Machine app. Alright, that's all I have for you today, folks. Virtually driving for dollars. And if you feel that you would benefit from a step-by-step coaching program where I actually build a business for you and then show you how to run it, then head on over to ShaunYoungCoaches.com using the link down in the description below and schedule a call with me and my team today to see if we'd be a good fit. I'd love to speak with you. So remember to go out there and take massive imperfect action, failing your way forward. Enjoy not only the destination, which is hitting your goals, but also enjoy the journey. Become your best self. And remember, help me, help you, help us all. I'll see you on the other side.
It's grand on my head, I'm seated on the throne. The top is so alone. Only thing that keeps me going is I know my city love me. I know my city love me. I know my city love me. I know my city love me.